Happy Monday! It is Mrs. Leslie, and I'm here to help you through today's assignment. So I have posted the traits that were turned in as of last night at, I don't know, I want to say 10 p.m. I tried to get, all of them on here. Anyway, you only see your hour, which is fine. So when you do this assignment, and you open your document in progress, oh, I know hour 1. And I know that that's fine. Zay won't mind. Right here, you just fill it in. So as I go through that hour 1, here it is. Courage. Okay, so I go find the word courage. Here is their definition. So you're going to fill that in. The example that they used. Technically, all this was supposed to be on one slide, but you know what? It's fine. I'm not worried about it. And I copied all of them in order. So if you gave me more than one slide, it's in order. And you're just going to fill in everything that you can. And then tomorrow when we present these, yes, we're presenting them. Tomorrow when we present them, you will fill in the rest. So if anybody turns it in up to this point, then we can go ahead and fill in the rest. But this is just a head start. So that is first. Then, after defining all of that, I want you to do a little reflecting on yourself. So you're going to select 2 traits that you would like to work on, that you need to work on, and just be honest. I know I've got plenty that I'm working on. And you're going to write a paragraph stating which 2 traits and what that's going to look like. So this is an example, but here's how you submit it. Right over here, you'll have submit assignment, which is what I clicked right here. Then you go to the create tab, and then you type all of your paragraph, and then you submit. Okay, so that is what is due today. I will open up tomorrow's folder during lunchtime today, and hopefully have another video to help you with that. But you know that tomorrow we are presenting these traits, so please be here at the live session on time. See you soon.